specialized in producing different type of cup paper board, such like white wooden pulp cup paper, Kraft cup paper, bleached and unbleached bamboo pulp cup paper, to be used for making paper cups, bowls, buckets, dinner boxes, plates, and paper lids. Producing paper from 150 grams to 350 grams, with annual production capacity reach more than 50,000 tons. Kindeal Paper, equipped with high updated 3 lamination lines, 2 of 6 color Flexo printing, and 5 die cutting service lines, provides single and double-side PE coated, PBS coated, and PLA coated cup paper. Offer different grades of paper, normal thickness, or high bulk paper to meet customers' individualized requirements. Kindeal's products are popular selling to lots of Europe countries, Southeast Asia countries, Middle East countries, Russia, Ukraine, South American countries, and African countries. In this currently years, Kindeal Paper is committed to produce and study more 100% biodegradable and compostable food packaging products, to take the path of sustainable green development to protect our environment and Earth.